Input function in Python. It is used to get input from a user. That input will stored in a variable. Here the name is a variable. Instead of giving value by ourself, we ask user for the value, by using input function. When we run this code, it asks user input, user will type the value, then we use print function to see the value. To give a note for user, we have to type the note in between brackets, also in string format. By default, input type will be string. To get integer value, type the input function, in between integer function brackets. Simple. Now the value will be integer. We can also get float value, same method. If the value of float input is a whole number, then it will convert into a decimal. It won't take string value as float input, but integer value will taken as string input. But the value type will be string.